Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact which you wish to block and tap on it. Then tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam and simply tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings. So in the contacts, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, and that's the number we blocked from our contact. So as you can see, the previous option works. Here we can also tap on add a number, tap on this section and enter the number which we wish to block. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. Moreover, at the top we've got the option unknown. And just by using the switcher, we can block the calls from all unidentified callers. Just tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. And if you wish to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.